Next Generation Wireless Networks Crash Course, Tonex Training. Next Generation Wireless Networks Crash Course is an innovative training program covering trends in today's rapidly changing wireless industry. Topics including current and next generation 802.11 and 5G technologies, concepts, standardization activities, regulation, products and services. Learn about overview of current and future wireless technologies. Next generation wireless capability requirements. 5G and the technology roadmap. Trends in wireless technologies including next generation 802.11 and 5G. Fixed versus mobile wireless trends. 5G applications and use cases. Next generation 802.11 applications and usage scenarios. Next generation 802.11 and 5G deployment options. Concepts behind security, performance, interoperability and capacity. Next generation 802.11 and 5G building blocks, architectures and key enablers and components. Next generation 802.11 and 5G spectrum. Learning objectives. Upon completion of this course, the participant will describe the fundamental concepts of LAN, PAN and BAN wireless technologies. Describe similarities and differences between wireless LANs, wireless PANs and wireless BANs. Understand the fundamental concepts of 802.15.1, 802.15.4 and 802.15.6. Describe similarities and differences between RFID, Bluetooth, Bluetooth LE, Zigbee and 6LoWPAN. Understand the fundamental concepts of 802.11a, b, g, n and 802.11x, oz, a and ah. Understand the core concepts on 802.11 PHY and MAC layers. Understand ideas behind OFDM, MIMO spatial streams and multi-user MIMO, MU-MIMO, features. Understand modulation, coding and other elements, features behind 802.11. Understand PHY and MAC modifications for different versions and releases. List coexistence mechanisms for different channels. List 802.11 scenarios and configurations. Describe 802.11x features and requirements. Describe 802.11 Oz related positioning and location requirements. Describe 802.11 OFF features and requirements. Describe 802.11a, enhanced throughput for operation in license-exempt bands above 45 GHz. Course outline. Executive summary of trends in wireless industry. Overview of current and future wireless technologies. Executive summary of 5G. Executive summary of IEEE 802.11. IEEE STD 802.11 architecture. Principles behind 802.11a, b, g, n, c, x, a, y, z. 802.11 systems and bands. Introduction to 802.11n and 802.11 acres. Introduction to 802.11x. Introduction to REVMC, location. Introduction to 802.11a, 802.11 GAS. Introduction to 802.11 GAS. Introduction to 802.11 OFF. Principles behind 5G wireless. Market drivers and use cases for 5G. Requirements for 5G. Regulatory considerations applied to 5G. request more information. Visit tonex.com.